What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dre running through another trading video, and I'm going to show you guys how price break and retest on every single time frame. Appreciate all the love and support, all the comments, and all the subs. You know we're gonna tap in with everything. I'm gonna teach you guys everything I can possibly teach you guys. That's basic trading. But as you can see right here, like I said, this is how I trade. I'm a swinger. All right, so I called me a swing buy for NAS 100, but I called it when it was a little bit too early. So as you can see right now, I am in drawdown, currently still in drawdown right now. But I'm gonna show you guys some why am I in drawdown. All right, so as you can see, not this blue candle, but this candle right here. As you can see, this is the previous week high. And notice how I tell you guys how price like to take out liquidity, highs and lows of everything. So that's basically what price did. This is what price did. This is the previous high. So I'm just gonna mark up previous high, previous week high. So as you can see, price took out the previous week high and then look what it did. So right back down. So now we at the previous week low right here. So now we at the previous week low. So right now, what I would do is just wait on a break of these two zones, and price may be consolidating. Price may be consolidating if we go down to the smaller time frame. But I got caught up in just I got caught up in just trading a little bit too early. Notice this is the beginning of the month. It's still the beginning of the month. It is September the 10th. So of course, after one big move, left or right, as in up or down, price will play around for a little bit. So that's what I got caught up in. Besides the point, price is going to buy still. But I'm just going to show you guys why I'm in drawdown at this moment. And as you can see, price took out the previous high, which is right here. And right now, price is at the previous low. So if price do not break this low, I can possibly see it go down. But the confirmation that gave me that price is going to buy is just because this blue candle, price closed blue for me. So we're gonna scale down to the daily time frame. We're gonna see what's up. All right, so as you can see, the only thing price did on the daily time frame was broke up and came down for a retest. And that's the same thing that happened on the weekly time frame. As you can see, price exploded up and it came back down for a week retest. So as you can see, price broke up, came down for retest. So now it's just a patient game. Like I said, I need a break. I need this zone for retest for sell, which won't happen, or I need to break above this high and retest for a buy. And that's like I told you guys, I could possibly see that price will be consolidating. As you can see, look, price is not showing me nothing right now. If you just had a look at this, price is playing between these zones. Like I said, if you watch the previous videos of me just saying wait on the breakout, you know what I'm saying? See, I didn't identify this at the time. You know what I'm saying? I just had to go back, and that's why it's good to stay on the charts 24/7. It's good to stay on the charts 24/7 because it will show you different things every time you see the market. So like I said, just by me not identifying this consolidation, it just taught me just wait, wait until price break and resets on all of the higher time frames. When it comes from the monthly, the weekly, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, you know what I'm saying? So everything is just a pacing game. I'm just this is just a learning experience for me. I'm still learning. You can never start learning it for it. So, but I can possibly see the buy still getting better just because price closed blue for me. So this is what I needed. This is what I needed right now. I needed this blue close, you know what I'm saying? Just a matter of time, but I got caught up as in I bought too high. You never supposed to buy when prices at the highest point now. And now I'm in drawdown for that. So it's just a matter of time. As you can see, prices are already respecting this previous low right now. Prices are already respecting. So if I can get prices stay above, this area right here, then we good. Then we good. So just a matter of time for price to do it. Like I said, this can show me a double bottom, but like I said, I'm gonna wait on a daily time frame. I need this daily to close blue for me. If this daily give me a blue candle, then I will enter. And I will take it to this next swing high. But once price hit this area, price will break and retest this area, and then I will find me another, find me the takeout zone. So it's just all a matter of time. I just want to show you guys how price just break and resets each time frame, just pacing game, like I said, take out highs and lows or whatever. But like I said, always stay on the charts, identify what is price doing. As you can see, this is a whole consolidation zone going on right now. But You know, real simple, real basic things. Like I said, it's already building support right now. If we just had this right here, look what price doing. This is called building support because price is failing to go low. Look at this major wick right here. This major wick, it rejected so hard, it don't want to go down anymore. So, like I said, small entries could be possibly right now with me. Just because I'm already in this trade, I won't take another entry on this. I did wait on the daily close to me and just gonna run it up, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. NAS buys, NAS new highs on the way. Long term, peace and love, guys.